Hello there, fellow programmers.
Today we're stepping into the exciting world of CodeLand. Imagine a massive library filled with endless information.
That's what it's like working with data in programming. It can feel overwhelming.
Don't worry though, just like a library has shelves and sections to organize books, we have special tools in Java to organize our data.
These tools make storing and finding information a breeze. We're going to explore two of these amazing tools, arrays and ArrayLists.
Get ready for an adventure in organizing information. Let's start with arrays. Think of an array like a special bookshelf with numbered slots for your books.
Each slot holds one piece of data, like the title of a book. You tell the array how many slots it needs when you create it.
Maybe you need 5 slots for your 5 favorite science fiction novels. Once it's created, you can easily find a book or data by its slot number. Let's see how we make and use an array in Java. Arrays are a fundamental part of programming, allowing us to store multiple values in a single variable.
String book titles =, new string 5 / our bookshelf for book titles. This line of code creates an array that can hold 5 book titles. Book titles 0 =, A Wrinkle in Time. Book titles 1 = Dune. Book titles 2 = The Martian. Book titles 3 = Ender's Game / we are assigning book titles to each slot in the array. Book titles 4 = The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy / the last slot in our array is filled with a classic sci-fi book. System out println book titles 2 / this will print The Martian. Arrays use zero-based indexing, so the third slot is actually index 2.
We made an array called book titles to hold 5 book titles. See those square brackets? That's how you tell Java it's an array. Arrays are incredibly useful for managing lists of items. We put the Martian in the slot numbered 2. When we print it, we see the Martian on the screen.
But what if we want to see all the books? Time for a loop. Loops allow us to iterate through each element in the array. We can use a for loop to print each book title one by one. This way, we can easily manage and display all the books in our array.
Arrays and loops are powerful tools in programming. They help us organize and manipulate data efficiently. Understanding these concepts is key to becoming a proficient coder. So, let's dive deeper into arrays and loops in the next chapter.
Section 4, ArrayLists, the ever-growing bookshelf. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of ArrayLists, a dynamic and flexible way to manage collections of data. Byte arrays are great, but what if you get a new book? Traditional arrays have a fixed size, which can be quite limiting. It's tough to change the size of an array once it's made. You can't just add or remove elements easily.
That's where ArrayLists come in. They offer a more flexible solution, allowing you to add or remove elements as needed. Imagine a magical bookshelf that grows or shrinks as needed. That's an ArrayList. It dynamically adjusts its size to accommodate new items or remove old ones.
You can add or remove books or data whenever you like. This makes ArrayLists incredibly versatile and useful in many programming scenarios. Byte, let's see how it works in Java. We'll create an ArrayList and add some items to it.
Byte. We made an ArrayList called Grocery List. We added milk, eggs, and bread to our list. This demonstrates how easy it is to manage items with an ArrayList. We added milk, eggs, and bread to our list. Each item is stored in a specific position within the ArrayList.
We can access eggs by its position. Remember, we start counting from 0, so eggs is at position 1. Removing milk is as easy as pie. Just call the remove method and specify the position or the item itself. Section 5. Mastering the library arrays and ArrayLists in action. In this section, we will dive deep into the world of data organization using arrays and ArrayLists. Byte, congratulations! You've learned about arrays and ArrayLists, two powerful tools for organizing data in Java. These structures are essential for managing collections of data efficiently. Arrays are like those trusty, fixed-size bookshelves where you have a set number of slots for your books. On the other hand, array lists are like magical, expandable bookshelves that can grow as you add more books. Byte, think about using arrays when you know exactly how much data you'll have. They are efficient and straightforward, perfect for static data sets. Choose array lists when your data might change, like a growing collection of high scores in a game. They offer flexibility and dynamic resizing, making them ideal for unpredictable data. Byte, now go explore the library of data with confidence. With arrays and array lists in your toolkit, you can handle any data organization challenge that comes your way. Experiment with arrays and array lists. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be a data organizing pro in no time. Happy coding!